Hello developers, Code Hero here. The other day someone asked me, what is MVVM? So I thought, let's break it down with a simple, real-world example. What you're seeing on screen might look like just a few scattered files, but behind the scenes, this is one of the most powerful and widely used architectural patterns in production iOS apps today. It's called Model-View-ViewModel, and it's the secret to moving away from massive view controllers toward code that is actually clean, testable, and scalable. Okay, let's start simple. MVVM is a software architectural pattern. It consists of three components. The view handles the visuals and user interactions. The view model sits in the middle to bridge the view and model, where the model manages the raw data and business rule. By keeping the UI separate from the data logic, MVVM is making the code cleaner, more stable, and easier to test. But in this example, how does it actually work? The view model connects everything. It talks to the network layer, fetches data, transforms it into models, and updates the UI. That animation you're seeing? That's the full flow. I'll walk you through it. Let's start with the view. It only renders UI, loading error, or data. No networking logic belongs here. When the view appears, it triggers an action, vm.fetchUsers. That's it. The view doesn't fetch data directly. It delegates that responsibility to the view model. Now, the view model takes control. Inside fetchUsers, it calls a user service. This is where the network layer comes into play, and where the backend request actually happens. The backend responds with JSON data. The network layer receives the response, decodes it, and maps it into your model. In this case, the user struct conforms to codable, which is a type alias that combines the encodable and decodable protocols. Now you have typed data, ready to use. If everything succeeds, the view model updates, a published var users, and because SwiftUI is reactive, the view updates automatically, no manual refresh needed. So what's really happening? View triggers actions. View model coordinates between the UI and the data sources. Network fetches raw data from external APIs or databases. Model represents the actual data and the logic governing that data view, observes the view model and updates the display automatically. That's MVVM, clean, predictable, scalable. Why should you care? Because this is how real apps are built. It separates concerns. It's easier to maintain, and most important, it's testable. In another video, I'll show you how to unit test this exact setup. If this helped you understand MVVM clearly, subscribe, drop a like, and as always, let's keep building real apps, no hype. See you in the next one.